Hi guys, I'm back. As you guys noticed, I was not posting any cooking video for long because I was at my daughter's place cat sitting while she was traveling. Anyways, I'm back and I'm not feeling that well. So today not going to make any 3 or 4 course meal. I'll just do some shortcut. So let's make this. I have got this chicken curry cut. So I'll put all in the pressure cooker. Now I cut some potatoes. I'll dump it here in the cooker. Some onions. Green chili. Tomatoes. And I'm using some frozen mixed veg because I don't feel like chopping any vegetables and all. Now let me roughly grind this. Here it goes. I'm not going to use any oil. So this is salt, black pepper, coriander powder, some curry masala, water. I'm using 2 glasses of water. There you go. I'm going to use little bit of soya sauce. That's all. Just look at it. Without any oil, but still it looks so oily, right? Look at the broth. Let me check the seasoning. It's perfect. I have some leftover rice from last night. I don't have energy to cook the new rice, so anyways, I'm going to have it with this only. Just look at the color of the broth. So good. Try my meal. It's so good, especially since I'm not well. It feels like a warm hug,